Hello everyone, and welcome to this session. Today we will take a deep dive into a highly anticipated domestic large model, GLM-5.2. It is not merely a version upgrade, but an important milestone in the history of domestic open-source large models. We will comprehensively analyze this model's strengths and potential from multiple dimensions: technical architecture, performance benchmarking, and market impact. This report is divided into 6 parts. First, we will understand GLM-5.2's importance through the introduction. Next, we will deeply analyze its core technical architecture. The third part is the focus of this session, where we showcase GLM-5.2's performance showdown against the world's top models. After that, we summarize its 4 core advantages and objectively analyze its limitations. Finally, we share some in-depth commentary and a forward look. First, let's move to Chapter 1 and explore why GLM-5.2 is regarded as a milestone for domestic open-source models. GLM-5.2's positioning is very clear. It is not an all-encompassing model, but a specialist focused on long-horizon tasks. Its 3 core highlights: a million-scale context, the most permissive open-source license, and near-summit performance, together form its strong competitiveness and quickly made waves across the global AI field. Next, we will explore the technical foundation behind GLM-5.2's excellent performance and see how it balances high performance with high efficiency. At the heart of GLM-5.2 is the MO mixture of experts architecture. Imagine it has a brain with 753.3 billion units of knowledge, but when solving a specific problem, it only convenes the 8 most relevant experts to a meeting. This design guarantees both vast knowledge and efficient thinking, without wasting resources. To make million-scale context truly practical, GLM-5.2 brings 2 major innovations. The index share mechanism greatly reduces the compute cost of processing long text, making it affordable for enterprises. The MTP decoding technology improves generation speed, making it tolerable for users to wait. Together, these 2 technologies turn long context from paper specifications into engineering reality. In addition, GLM-5.2 has strong memory and reasoning abilities. Its DSA attention mechanism ensures it does not forget the opening content when reading a million-character long text. At the same time, it offers 2 thinking modes, high and max, like a car's normal and sport gears, which can be flexibly switched based on task complexity, ensuring both efficiency and accuracy on complex tasks. Theory done, now to practice. In Chapter 3, we put GLM-5.2 in the arena for a summit showdown against the world's top models to see its real combat strength. First, general capability. On the authoritative AI Analysis Intelligence Index leaderboard, GLM-5.2 scores 51 points, right behind Claude and GPT, ranking 3rd globally. This means that in overall strength, it has successfully entered the first tier of world top models and is the absolute king among open-source models. If general capability is well-rounded development, then coding is GLM-5.2's trump card. In Code Arena, the global developers' duel of masters, GLM-5.2 ranks 2nd overall and is the number 1 among models that can be commercialized without barriers worldwide. In real coding tasks, its performance is on par with the strongest closed-source models, truly the coding king of the open-source realm. Back to its core positioning, long-horizon tasks. Across multiple long-cycle benchmarks such as Frontier SWE and Post-Train Bench, GLM-5.2's performance comprehensively surpasses GPT 5.5 and trades wins with the strongest Claude Opus series. It can independently complete a full software development pipeline, fully proving its powerful capability on complex, long-cycle tasks. Through the performance comparisons above, we have already seen GLM-5.2's power. So what advantages let it stand out in today's market? In Chapter 4, we summarize its 4 core highlights. First, 2 core advantages. First, its million-scale context is the real deal, tested in real scenarios. Second, its cost-effectiveness is extremely high, with prices far below comparable top-tier models and undeniably attractive choice for cost-conscious enterprises. The capital market's enthusiastic response proves exactly this. The other two advantages are even more strategic. First, it is fully open-sourced under the most permissive MIT license, giving enterprises great freedom and security. Second, it comprehensively adapts to domestic compute, providing a solid technical foundation for the autonomous control of China's AI industry, fully aligned with the national Xinjiang strategy. Of course, no technology is perfect. Beyond the praise, we also need to objectively view GLM-5.2's limitations, so we can make the most rational technology choices. GLM-5.2's limitations are mainly fourfold. First, it is a text-only model with no multimodal capability. Second, the deep thinking mode sacrifices some speed. Third, there is room for improvement in certain niche domains and complex front-end tasks. And fourth, its knowledge has a cutoff date and requires external information to handle the latest events. Understanding these helps us find its most suitable application scenarios. Finally, let's step beyond the technology itself and examine GLM-5.2's success from a higher vantage point, looking ahead to the far-reaching impact it will bring. In my view, GLM-5.2's success is no accident but the inevitable result of Zhipu AI's long-term adherence to its technical route. Its release will profoundly impact the global large model market, break the existing landscape, reshape enterprise selection logic, and greatly activate the domestic AI ecosystem. Looking ahead, long context and inference optimization will become the new focus of the technology race, and GLM 5.2 has undoubtedly seized the first mover advantage. This concludes my presentation. Thank you all for listening.